I'm Eric Polley at ericpolley.com, and we got 80 seconds to do a split screen video in Premiere Pro. So let's open up Premiere Pro. If you haven't watched the cropping video tutorial I've done, go ahead and check that out first so you can get to this spot. What I'm going to go ahead and do is drag this video up a little bit, and I'm going to copy the crop function here, and we're just going to move it over just a smidge so it is in the spot we want it to be. Now let's go ahead and drag our new video on top like that, and I'm going to select that video, Control V to paste, and now we have that same effect on both of these videos. Now I'm just going to go ahead and drag this over with the motion, and we have a split screen video just like that. I have been Eric Polley. You have been you. Keep doing that, and I will see you on the next video.